When you want a fast roofing service, choose Gillett Builders. We're based in Sheffield, specialising in all aspects of roofing, with service such as slate and tile roof repairs, including re-roofing, chimney repairs, including lead work, flat roofs, dormers, bay tops, garage roofs, all types of Velux windows, guttering, including wood, plastic and aluminium, ridge and hip repairs, roof strengthening, and much more for both industrial and domestic clients. Upon request, we can have a look at your property and give you a free estimate, along with advice if needed. No job is too big or small. We can carry out the smallest of jobs, such as replacing a single damaged slate. We have worked for the vast majority of insurance companies and continue to do so. We strive to maintain high standards, and we are members of the Federation of Master Builders and the European Builders Confederation. We offer a friendly, helpful, reliable service, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us on 07973 407 966 or visit our website www.gillettbuilders.com.